Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm your host Richard Morla, and today I have a big of announcement for you. I'm back with all of you once again. Hello everyone, now that you are here, so I want to give you a very big welcome to this channel. If you are watching this video for the first time, or if you are a subscriber that subscribed a long time ago and you were watching the series of my tutorial and everything, I want to tell you a big of announcement is I'm back with all of you. And there is a lot of reasons why I wasn't loading videos as I was before. Like every week I was loading a video, and then suddenly what happened? I disappeared and I didn't load a video for almost 6 months. I think maybe 6 months, but there is a reason behind that. And a lot of things were going on in my life at the moment that I started this channel, and a lot of things start coming, all of them at the same time, like one thing after the other. And let me tell you something, they were not good things, they were not great. For instance, I had a job, I changed position in that job. That was a big mistake because it was a job that it was a sucker in the sense that it was sucking all of my energy, time, and I was doing that extra effort to bring you a tutorial every week, and I was battling with myself, with the job, with the creative process, and also with my creative ideas, how to create a tutorial. And then more things start coming, all of them at the same time. And also all these things that were coming at the same time, they put me into a state that maybe many of you watching this video right now, this vlog, will relate to me. And that was an attack of anxiety and also stress. You know, when you are loaded with the stress and you have attack of anxiety, the next step is fall into depression. And it was kind of a tough moment for me. Even though I wanted to create the videos for you, I wanted to come with creative ideas, continue with the series, finish the series, and then go to intermedia and more cool stuff for Photoshop. And also with this idea that I started from the very beginning, I wanted also to create vlogs, but I wasn't being able to continue that. I wasn't able or capable of sit in front of the camera and talk to the audience in a vlog form, not even in the tutorials, because when you are having attack of anxiety and stress and depression, all that lead me to one decision. I knew I needed help. So I requested help to a friend of mine, which recommended a very good psychologist. At the end of the day, I didn't needed the psychologist, because talking with my friend, it was like kind of a therapy, because talking the problem through. So all that helped me to move on. But also I had to move from the place I was before to the place that I am now. As you can see in the back, new light, style, new setup, everything is completely new in this new environment. And that was also part of the things that was dragging me down, with the pressure of moving, relocating myself. And it was a whole process, because it was something that it just came out. I just had to find a place, relocate myself as soon as possible. And all these things, little things, they were coming one after each other, and they piled up. They piled up on a way that I couldn't handle it. I couldn't deal with it. I couldn't work with it. And probably you see my face and you say, okay, but he looks like kind of okay for somebody who came from something that is really difficult to overcome, things like depression, anxiety, and stress. But the reason is that I decided myself to surround myself with good people, with good energy, creative people, photographers, retouchers, also entrepreneurs. And all that vibe helped me to come back and be motivated. And and sit myself, have a conversation with myself and say, I have an audience out there. It's not big. I know this channel is really, really small, 96 subscribers, but I said, I have a compromise with those subscribers. They subscribe because they like my channel, or maybe they like my personality, maybe they like something you like that you subscribe. And I really appreciate that. And I really want to thank you for your patience waiting for me to load the next tutorial and being there loyal to my channel and not unsubscribing from my channel. That's something that I really appreciate from the bottom of my heart. So, and I wanted to make this apology video to all of you out there that has been watching my content, but I'm sure that you've been expecting the next video, because as I said from the very beginning, it's gonna be a series for total beginner, like assuming that you know anything in Photoshop. You're gonna go, and if you follow my tutorials from nothing to intermediate, and then from there on moving on to a more professional editing and tools inside Photoshop, and also the vlogging. As I said, like, we're gonna talk about legendary photography, we're gonna break down photography, we're gonna learn about fashion photography, we're gonna learn how to deal with model, but I didn't do any of that. And the reason now you know why I wasn't able to deliver all the content I promised. But the good news is I'm back, I'm recovered. So that's a great thing, and I'm very happy. I'm very happy because God helped me a lot during this process. I prayed a lot, and all those good people that God put around me, and there were many other things holding me down that needed to let go. I needed to let go those things so that I was going to be capable of delivering my full potential and really focusing in all of you, in all my photography things, all my cinematography thing, and also my retouching and editing skills that I also have, and it's waiting for you out there. There's a lot of things changing. So now moving on, I want to tell you that there is a big of a change. So big shout out to Miguel, that is the guy behind all this new look, all this news idea, how things are gonna be coming out. And that's one of the things also that God put this kind of people around me, and I'm really happy to have people like Miguel next to me that now is going to help me to grow my social media. So I hope that you subscribe to this channel. Also, you hit the notification bell, and I'm gonna put all my social media below, like my links that you can follow me on Instagram, Facebook. Also, you can follow me on Twitter, and also guess what? Go there and follow my friend Miguel, that is the one that is helping me out to make this possible as well. So the good news is, and all the changes that are gonna be coming up now, every Monday you're going to have a vlog talking about photography subjects, such as maybe it's going to be dealing with the model, maybe it's going to be how to set up a light properly, how to work with 1 light, 2 light, 3 lights, different style of lighting your subject, also how to work with professional, non-professional models, and many more subjects that are gonna be coming along every Monday through the vlogs. But on Wednesday, guess what? You're going to have your full tutorial exactly as they were every week schedule. Every Wednesday, you're gonna continue having your tutorials. Then you have Friday, and Friday we go back to a new vlog. So you're gonna have Monday with a vlog, Wednesday with a tutorial, Friday with a vlog, and guess what? Just before starting the week, which is Sunday, just when you're home and you want to have a new skill so that starting the week you can apply, so you're gonna have one more tutorial for Photoshop or for Lightroom or for Adobe Camera Raw. It doesn't matter, but you're gonna have the tutorial there, and are going to be really good tutorials that I prepare from the bottom of my heart, and I sit down and strategize with my friend Miguel once again, and we strategize all the content that we want to give you and put out there for you taking it all, learning all. I'm not gonna hold back any secret. You're going to learn everything I know. You will know. You will have books recommendation, websites recommendation. We're gonna do photographers breakdown. We're gonna visit the websites. We're gonna learn together here. So once again, thank you again for being loyal and staying on this channel and being subscribed to my channel. And if it's the first time you're watching this video, so go there, check all the videos that I have already there. There are not many, I know, but you have videos there that if you were thinking, hey, I want to learn how to use Photoshop, start there, because from now on, we have no stopping. Only God can stop us, and we have got permission. So it means that we're going to rock and roll this time, baby. So get ready, fasten your seatbelt, and just hit the notification buttons every time, so that every time I load a video, you will be notified. Also, if you follow me on Instagram, on Facebook, and Twitter, you're going to receive those notifications, because in Instagram, we're gonna be loading a story of what's gonna be coming to YouTube, also on Facebook and as well on Twitter. So, and if you have a question, if you want to know something, or you would like to suggest a tutorial, something that I can promise you, you suggest a tutorial, you're gonna have the tutorial. It's like, hey, I want to learn this. No worries, you're gonna have that tutorial, and that I can promise you. That's a promise that I'm not gonna break. Suggest a tutorial, ask your question, it's gonna be answered, and your tutorial is gonna be done. So I hope that will motivate you to subscribe to my channel, and also motivate you to stay subscribed if you already a subscriber. So thank you once again. I really appreciate your loyalty. And now I'm here to give you everything at 100% without no stopping, because nothing can stop it. Only God, and we have got permission. So that being said, I want to tell you, follow me once again in my social media. So you can follow me on Instagram, Ruji Media. You can find me as well on Twitter, Ruji Media, and also on Facebook with the same name, Ruji Media. And subscribe to this channel. Hit the ring bell so that you will be notified every time I load a video. Remember, every Monday, every Wednesday, every Friday, every Sunday. That's gonna be good content for you throughout whole week. You're gonna have content, and later in the future, it's gonna be almost every day, maybe every day. We don't know, but if you subscribe, hit the notification button, you will find out. So that's all for me. This was your host, Richard Morla. Thank you for listening. Thank you for being a subscriber of this channel. And once again, I apologize because I wasn't loading videos. So now you know the reason. Now you know I'm back. Now you know we have tons of content coming only for you, for the taking. So don't hesitate and stay tuned for the next one.